Hey guys, all right, this video is going to be about the first product rule for exponents. There's actually a couple different product rules. We're going to be looking at two of them. This one says that if you have two of the same numbers or variables, in this case it's x, but if it's the same number that works, if it's both y's that works, and you have exponents on them and you're multiplying those, you can actually do a shortcut of just adding those exponents together. And we'll see what that looks like here in a couple of problems. So here I have 3 squared times 3 to the 4th. If I am just using the exponents as they are, I would do 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. And then I'm going to multiply that by 3 to the 4th. Now, I might not know that off the top of my head, so I'm going to go into my calculator, and I'm going to do 3 to the 4th power. Again, this little a to the b, that gives you your exponent. 3 to the 4th power, that tells me it's 81. So now I have 9 times 81. And we'll see what that equals. And that's 729. Now, the shortcut here, and there's going to be a lot of shortcuts, that's why I like this unit, lots of shortcuts, is we can actually just add those exponents together. And we'll see why in just a moment. So if I do 3 to the 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, that makes 6. So if I do 3 to the 6th power, I should get the same thing. So I go over to my calculator, 3 to the 6th power, and I also get 729. So this is one of those cool shortcuts that you can do with exponents. And it's helpful, especially when you have really large exponents, for simplifying problems. So here I have x cubed times x to the 5th. Now we can do the shortcut here, which would be x3 plus 5. And 3 plus 5 makes 8. So that would be x to the 8th. But if I expanded that out, we would get the same thing. So x cubed would be x times x times x. So x, x, x. And then x to the 5th, I would have 5 of them. And these are all just getting multiplied. So it's x times x times x times x times 5 more x's. And when I add all of that up, that makes a total of 8. And so you can either add the exponents or expand it out. But the shortcut here is, of course, you can add those exponents together and you'll get the same thing. As long as the base, so like here's the 4 or here's the x, as long as that remains the same. So go ahead and try the problems on the right on the next page.